Lesson 3: The Self as Cognitive Contract. Topic: Self-Awareness. Hello everyone. I learned that the self is a cognitive contract, which means that our understanding of who we are is built from how we think, process information, and interrupt our experience. One topic that really stood out to me is self-awareness. Its ability to understand my own thought, emotions, and action. Through this lesson, I realized that being self-aware helped me recognize not only my strengths but also my weakness, and that important for person grow. Self-awareness allow me to reflect on how my thought influence my behavior and how I can respond better in different situations. It's remind me that knowing myself deeply is the first step toward improving myself and building better relation with others. Overall, this lesson taught me that self-awareness is the key to understanding who I am, who I want to become.